In this video, we will show the best dash cams available to buy. At number 10. 8-man dash cam, it can be perfectly hidden behind the rear mirror. The appearance, texture and the upgrade of the button make the product feel more comfortable. The operation is still simple and friendly to new users. At number 9. AKASO dashboard camera, low profile, stealth dash cam sits unnoticed behind your rear view mirror, ready to back you up in the event of any incident on the road. At number 8. AKASO dash cam, AKASO car camera combined with 1080p Full HD and 12MP resolution. This dash cam can provide insurance claims to prevent disputes. At number 7. Smart dash camera, the ADAS, Advanced Driver Assistance Systems. The most advanced and optimized visual recognition algorithms ensure safe driving by providing real-time lane departure. At number 6. OnReal dual dash cam. This dash cam comes with a 32GB memory card included in the box. This is a complete package and your dash cam will be ready to install. At number 5. AKASO V1 Dash Cam, the nano-coating 6G lens module with f1.8 large aperture ensures a better image quality, and AKASO WDR technology provides enhanced details even in dark conditions. At number 4. 70mi Pro Car Dash Cam, a dash cam with customizable mods to protect your car and more importantly to guarantee your safety. With motion detection supported by G-Sensor, 70mi Pro can keep recording during parking mode. At number 3. DDPAI Mini Car Dash Camera, seamless loop recording overwrites the oldest footage with the newest upon filling a card to capacity. Variable sensitivity G-Sensor Auto detects a sudden shake, collision and emergency locks. At number 2. Blueskysea Wi-Fi Mini Dash Cam, the B1W car camera video recorder uses dual supercapacitors instead of a lithium battery, which is a safer and more reliable choice to operate in hot environments. At number 1. Procus Convoy Car Dash Camera, it has Full HD video resolution 1920*1080, using H.264 photography compression technology and smooth image processing. Superior night vision by Class A lenses, and unique wide dynamic range (WDR) video system.